right, welcome to the inaugural video. Let's get us a Peacock. First cast of the day. Whoa, that's not as bad. There's one in here. There always is. Mark. What it was. I wasn't quick enough, obviously, though. I love those hits right there, but fucking hard to set that hook. A couple of big old goldfish down there. Catch one of those. I wish you could see the size of this goldfish. All right. Yeah, I don't own the rights to that music. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Come on, baby. All right, let's see if we can get us a tarpon today. I doubt it. My buddy says someone's already been here. Usually do this. Just a big old snook one day here. See, I'd eat that shit. I guess my pole's already all rigged up already, so fuck it. Go get us a bass. We're at a new lake. Peacocks weren't biting, so I'm gonna see if I can get me a bass. I don't have much battery left, so I think I might be fucked. I knew I should have brought those other ones. I didn't think I would run out of battery. So this lake is very deep. I've pulled several 4-pounders out of here. A couple of 2s, 3s. It's usually a pretty hot lake, we'll see. Drop shotting, using that Zoom speed worm and June bug and red flake. Either that or a brown one works here. Let's see, I'll give it a few casts. Doesn't work, we will switch. I just want to get a fish on for video. It's definitely not as interesting as that topwater action I had going on, but the fish here are fucking nice. Oh. Not that one cast. Oh. See, mine just keep on going out. Still sinking. Let that get all the way to the bottom. There we go. I'm actually thinking the brown worm is what I need to be putting on. It's such a clear day. Hasn't been raining. The water's nice and clear. But this heat is what worked last time I was here. That was over there behind that building. Had to drag it through a bunch of grass like this. And I couldn't get it back in, so had to walk out in the water in my shoes. But I'm not letting the bass die. Not my style, people. I switched it up. Put on a smaller brown Zoom speed worm. And then this is what they're gonna call the heat. Because bam, baby, I'm gonna get me a 4-pounder right now. It's gonna be a 4.6. Baby. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Where you at? Sally McFatfish. I know you're in there. Get on the hook. Go on your hook. This is it right here. It's called bringing the heat. Yeah, fishy, fishy. That's why they call me the bearded fish whisperer. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Alright, so it's good. Went ahead and changed the depth on it. I was fishing a little bit longer drop shot lead than I wanted. Man, I don't know. It seemed like it sank really fast. Did the fish get it already? Did he? So yeah, this weekend I'm gonna come here. There's a ton of bait fish. You can just catch them on a bare hook. Catch those. Put them on some balloons. See if I can get some big old fish out of here. Come on, baby. All I want is that one fish. I don't care how big it is. I have to put my aqua shoes on. I can throw this bigger brown worm on, I guess. Put more weight on it. There we go. That's a little bit further. All right, now we can bring the heat. Now we can bring the heat, baby. Yeah, it's definitely sinking better now. Yeah. Come on, let's get that. Where you at? Sally McFatfish, come on. Let me get that 4. I got 5 on it. What you do? I got 5 on it. That would be nice to get a 5-pounder right now. Some serious weeds right there. Should Put the boat in here. Put the boyak in. I think we're going this weekend. Why not? Ah! Just fucking missed one. See, I was just reeling it in, and right at the last second, something bit at it, it felt like. Might have just been getting snagged up. I don't know. Oh, it's definitely shallow as fuck right there. Get a shallow water fish instead of all the way in the bottom. Cruiser. That fish so bad. I got 5-pound fish. That was a nice one. Yeah, 5%. Either get one this time or I don't. Damn it. Well, anyways, it is absolutely beautiful, as you can see. Any day fishing is better than a day not. So even if I didn't get one today, I didn't fish that long, but really testing out the camera. Start making this a regular though. We'll get out here, start getting some fish on video, get this Bearded Fish Whisperer YouTube channel going. Start making some money, baby. Yeah, fishy, fishy. Ooh. Ooh. Nope. That's probably my last cast. Man, I gotta figure out how to use better battery capacity. Well, it was a beautiful day. The camera's gonna die. Thanks for joining me. Eh, you fucking hosers. Go home. All right, I got one more cast. That's where the heat is. Whew, that's 0%.